Assalamu alaikum and hello, dear viewers. This is Z.Mughal and my objective is to provide you a quality texture to improve your learning. Let's begin with an interesting topic, that is literature review process. In this lecture, I'm gonna tell you what is the literature review, what is the purpose to write literature review, and why it is so important in research project. First and foremost, what is literature review? It's a critical and comprehensive recap of existing knowledge, literature, data. Okay, in simple words, whatever has already been done and that is quite relevant to your topic, that is literature review. And secondly, the purpose of literature is to make your research authentic and you have finished information regarding that particular topic. After literature review, you proved that you have done a lot to gather a relevant data. Okay, generally it helps to beautify your research. Now let's talk about 6 different steps to crack a fine and neat literature review. The step number 1 is to select your niche. It means your topic of research interest or your formal research. I will tell you on another video that what is the difference between these both. Now the question arises here, how can you select a topic? Keep this thing in your mind that select a topic that is important to the world. It can be any issue like any health issue, educational, social, political, economical. But you have to identify your problem in your title. In this step, you must be creative one to design a research topic. You must know about your readers and what they want to read. And don't select a narrow topic. It will show you a small scale results and research. Okay, after that, after specifying your key terms and your phrases on your topic, go for the next step. Step number 2. Search the literature. Find an appropriate and relevant data. Run after different books, different articles, different authors that is relevant to your main topic. Okay, now after incorporating with your text, further go to build the argument. That what is new, why it is new, and why it is so important. After finishing your argument, survey your literature in the 4 steps. See the results and parameters of your literature review. Give a brief summary. After this, you must critique the literature. As a researcher, it's your duty to evaluate that literature. What are the weaknesses and what are the strengths of literature review? And after this, advocating this process, you finally sit and start writing, compose your literature review. Give a vast number of references with writers' name and publications. Finally, your literature review directly reflects your main idea or main topic or main theme. So this is all about literature review. This is how you can successful to crack an effective literature review. Okay, must note this. Before going this process, you need to be patient because it requires time and energy to success. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Catch me on another video. Stay blessed and happy. Take care.